The objective of this lesson is that the student will be able to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. We can convert an improper fraction to a mixed number that consists of an integer and a proper fraction. The procedure can be illustrated with an example. Let's consider 14 over 3. So what you want to do is you want to divide the numerator by the denominator. So what do you get? Well, 14 divided by 3 is equal to 4, remainder 2. Now, here's some important items. This will give you the components. So 14 divided by 3 is 4. The integer component of the mixed number is this quotient. So when you divide the numerator by the denominator, you get a quotient of 4. Well, this is the integer component of the mixed number. So it'll be 4 followed by some fraction. So let's see what that fraction would be. The numerator of the fraction component of the mixed number is your remainder. So when you go 14 divided by 3, you get 4, remainder 2. Well, 2 is the numerator of the fraction component of the mixed number. And what is the denominator? Well, that is the same as the original improper fractions denominator. So 14 over 3. Let's look at that some more here. 14 divided by 3 is 4. That's the 4 will be the integer component. Remainder 2. And the 2 will be the numerator of the fraction. Okay, and then the denominator here will be the same as the denominator here. They're the same denominator. So 14 over 3 becomes 4 2/3. All right, let's look at an example. Convert each of the following improper fractions to mixed numbers. 20 over 6, negative 37 over 4, and 144 over 12. Okay, 20 over 6, what do you get? Well, 20 divided by 6 gives you 3. Remainder 2. So what does that mean? Well, it means your integer component will be 3. Your remainder goes on top of the fraction, and the denominator is the same as the original. So that becomes 3 2/6. Okay, what happens when you have a negative? Well, what we're going to do is we're just going to put a negative in front of the whole thing. So that's negative and then brackets. So 37 divided by 4 is 9. Remainder 1. So what's your fraction? Well, you're going to go a minus, put that first, and then 9. Remember, the remainder goes on top, 1 over 4, because the denominator is the same as the denominator of the improper fraction. Okay, now here's a tricky one. 144 divided by 12. Well, that's 12. For 144 divided by 12 is 12. Remainder 0. So you could actually write this as 12 and 0 over 12. Or you could actually just write it as 12.